Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to the third part of the Capcut video editing series. And in the last class, we discussed about the text options and text effect and text animation. In this class, we are going to cover the option which is called sticker. If you want to add any sticker in your video, you can also do that. We can also call them elements. So what you have to do simply as you know that there's a simple and the basic rule of the CapCut is that you have to download these effects. I have downloaded this one. For example, if you want to use this, okay, but you have to simply drag here and you need to adjust its size as per your need. I'm going to put here, and if you want to add animation on it, you can also do that. Simply you have to go to the animation, and now you can add any animation. This one, you have a lot of animations. It's up to you which animation you want to use. If you want to increase the duration of this icon, you can also do that from here, and now the animation will work as per your need. After that, we have a lot of stickers here. You can search them also, and as you can see, you can use them as well. If you want to search any emoji, you can write here emoji and press the enter. You will get a lot of emojis. It's up to you, any emoji or any option you want. So these are the simple and basic options. Currently we are focusing on the basic and beginner editing. So we are not focusing on the advanced video editing. In the next video editing series, we will cover the advanced options. That's why we are just only focusing on the basic options. So let's move to the next option, which is called effect. In the effect, you're going to see the effects for the video. For example, I'm going to delete this one and I'm going to use these options. These are the effects. I'm going to download them. After downloading them, we will use them. As effect, we can put that effect here, and as I'm going to play this, now you can see this is the effect of the video. If you want to make change in the effect, you can also do that. You can adjust the atmosphere, color, filter, size, speed, and other things too. After that, let it delete, and here we have another effect. I'm going to put here, and now play this. So this is the effect. You can also add this effect here. Here you are going to get a lot of effects, and here they are divided into groups like opening, lens, nightclub, Christmas, light effect, retro. You can search as per your need. These are a lot of effects. You can use them into your. After that, we have transition. In transition, this is the basic thing. I hope all guys are aware from this. What you have to do, simply you have to download you have to simply download the transitions first. After that, you can add the transition. Simply what you have to do, you have to drag the transition and put it here where two videos are joining each other. And I'm going to put this transition here, and now you can play. This is the duration gap. Now mix it. Now you can put this here, and there continue. Simply zoom in out, and now you can add these clips here. For example, I'm going to add this one here, and now you can play it. Okay, and calibration. If you want to add any other transition, you can also do that. I'm going to add type transitions like this. I'm going to add this one, and now you can play this. This is working well. Like, I'm going to play this one and now put it and run again. So this is the transition effect. So I hope in this class, for today's class, this is enough. We have discussed about transition effects and stickers, and in the next class we are going to discuss about some other options. So it's enough for today. See you in the next video.